Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with the trigger of a new event in Google Calendar and then copying that event into Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Okay, so we're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to build a simple workflow that we'll go ahead and title Google Calendar to Outlook Calendar. And we'll click inside of our trigger box, and we're going to select Google Calendar. And our event is going to be new event. I'm going to click continue, select my Google Calendar account, and my calendar ID is going to be my example calendar. So anytime I add an event to this example calendar, it's going to be copied over into my Outlook calendar. So we can test our trigger to make sure there's an event to be found. And we found an event, unicycle lesson. So now in order to copy that event into Outlook calendar, I'm going to click continue. Then inside of my action box, I'm going to select Outlook. And the event is going to be create event. And I'm going to connect my Outlook account. The calendar within Outlook I want to put this event on is just the generic calendar. The subject I'm going to take from that trigger. So I'm going to click inside the subject box. I'm going to come down to the new event in Google Calendar, click inside of there, and find the name of the event, which is the summary. The start date and time. Right here. And the end date and time is right below that. Is this an all-day event? No, it is not. The description of the event is don't forget to bring your unicycle again. And we'll say that whenever we add these events that we're going to be busy at that event. So we can click continue and we can test that action. And we have a success. So I can go over to Outlook Calendar and I can see here it is at 2 p.m. on Sunday is our unicycle lesson. And it has that description as well. So we have a successful workflow. And I can come down and click continue here at the bottom. And that will turn both of our nodes green. So when I'm happy with my workflow setup, I can activate it by clicking on the button here. That's how you can easily copy events from your Google Calendar into your Microsoft Outlook calendar. Please like and subscribe this video to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.